Are you a professional buyer from the global healthcare sector? Explore the all-new eHealth market and discover new suppliers and products online. Register for free to get started. Visit www.e-health.market. Click Sign Up and select as buyer. Complete registration. You may review terms of use, cookie policy, and privacy policy. Tick the box and click Save and Continue. Select the starter level package for free. Click Create Account. You can purchase and upgrade later. When you are directed to the profile, go to Edit Profile and complete it. Click Save to continue. Your profile and changes will be validated by our expert team within 24 hours. For more information or queries, please email us on contact@e-health.market. eHealth Market. Trade worldwide with us.